The quietly rich don't drive Ferraris or post their bank accounts online. They live in modest homes, drive used cars, and hold millions in assets. Today, I'm revealing the 7 habits that made them wealthy. Habit 1. They live well below their means. Not just within their means, well below. They buy used instead of new. They choose reliability over status. Their biggest splurge is time, not things. Habit 2. They invest before they spend. Every month, investment contributions are non-negotiable. The lifestyle gets whatever's left, not the other way around. Habit 3. They ignore trends. The latest phone, the hottest stock tip, the viral investment, they don't chase. They stick to a boring, proven strategy for decades. Habit 4. They value financial education over entertainment. They read, study, and consult experts. Habit 5. They are intensely goal-oriented. Every financial decision connects to a specific number, year, and target. Habit 6. They avoid debt like a disease, accept strategic debt that generates income. Habit 7. They measure net worth, not income. Their success metric isn't what they earn, it's what they keep and grow. Which habit surprised you most? Comment below. Subscribe next video, the mindset difference between the wealthy and everyone else.